Welcome back. I'm Susan.
And I'm Ken.
And we are
Captivating Journey. Taking weekend trips and vacation time in our RV was just not long enough to really see the sights of our beautiful nation.
So we took the plunge to get out of the rat race and on the road to enjoy this lifestyle. As of December 2021, we sold our house and most of our belongings and moved into our RV full-time.
Our home now is a 43-foot RV named Kid, and we travel with our cats, Ranger, and the two siblings, Bailey and Kahlua.
Our mission is to explore the U.S., seeing new sights, enjoying new scenery, meeting new people, and making new friendships along the way. So we invite you to come along with us on our journey. So we just had dinner at the Daniel Summit Lodge with the Newmar Fulltimers Rally.
Correct.
So it was
Newmar Country Club.
Newmar Country Club Rally.
Yeah.
It was actually really good. We had roast beef and
Salmon.
yeah, and then we had potatoes and
Yep.
rice
and then house salad, and then we also had kind of like a fruit cobbler for dessert. So no, it was very good. This is our first country club rally, our Fulltimers Rally, and I like it.
It's actually our first country club rally too.
Yes.
So this is going to be a fun-filled week with the Newmar. We came in, we came in yesterday. We were in site S9, and then today we moved over to our site for the rest of the rally, which is S13.
Yep.
And we're going to be here through Friday. We got a lot of activities, so it should be fun, and we look forward to showing you what the rally's like.
Yeah. So stay tuned.
So we just drove up Memorial Hill here in Midway, Utah. So it goes back War of 1812. And then they have a Nauvoo legend, 1841 to 1844, the Mexican War and the Mormon Battle, a battalion, 1846 to 1848, Battle Creek War, and then the Civil War, Spanish-American War. So here is a welcome to Washoe County Memorial Hill Veterans Monument. This monument was created in appreciation to the veterans of Washoe County for their service in protecting our country.
Needless to say, we're milking 120 cows in this barn, producing more milk than we were with 170 in my old barn, and we can't increase. If we increase or ship more milk to them, they'll terminate my contract. So it's either you stay within it or else we'll terminate you and you won't have a home for your milk. An average cow will produce our average is about 80 pounds per day per cow. So it's about 8.6 pounds per gallon. So it's just under 10 gallons a day per cow. Now when we built this barn, this whole barn's concept is built around making these cows as comfortable as we can make them. The more comfortable I can make them, the more milk they will produce. Imagine that. We take care of our animals, they'll take care of us.
Right.
Unfortunately, when you get on social media, you think we just mistreat our cows and took terrible care of them.
No.
I said I spent $4.5 million on a barn to make sure these cows are really well taken care of. As much so that in the wintertime, the curtain closes down. The ventilation system comes on. We put an energy recovery ventilation system. So it pulls the heat out of the air going out, puts it in the air coming back in. So the barn will never freeze. If we're 40 below zero outside, it will be above freezing in the barn.
Oh, that's
right
great.
next to the curtain it may not be, but in where the cows are will be. So none of our watering troughs freeze. We don't have to worry about the robots, freezing and anything freezing up. They have back scratchers. They have automatic alley scrapers. I don't even take a tractor in with them. Every 2 hours the alleyways get scraped. See the hay pusher? Leaves this docking station every 3 hours and pushes the feed back up to the cows, because guess what? They nose it all out. It'll push it back up. If you notice around their neck, The bottom thing, it's equivalent to a Fitbit, only on steroids. It tells me everything about that cow. How long she laid down, how many steps she took, how long she spent at the feed bunk, if she's chewing our cud, ruminating, it's going from stomach to stomach. All of that is recorded real time in the computer. And we're very proactive instead of like we used to be reactive. Because you get, it's the whole thing, like I say, is really built around making these cows. They even sleep on a mattress that's designed for cows. That rubber mattress where those cows are standing, they'll lay down on that. We run fans to keep it cooler. You notice how much cooler it is in here? We used to be a pasture-based herd. Cows would go out on pasture, but you know what? It's cooler and nicer in here.
I'm going to give you one cheese, and you're going to take that cheese and you're going to smell it. You're just going to take a deep breath and smell the aroma. And then you're going to put it in your mouth and let your palate just kind of let it melt on it and take those flavors in. And you're
That's good.
To
A
get
little
that
sharp.
flavor faster than you will know. And then they'll bring around some jam.
Very good. Oh, that's good.
Hey! Hopefully you can hear this. We just boarded the train. We're going to go for a 90-minute ride.
Hey!
And I forgot what year this car is.
It's 1920s, I think he said.
That's right. And the railroad tracks are from the 1800s, but it's a closed circuit track. So we're not running with the other trains. It's kind of its own little track system, but the tracks are actually from the late 1800s. Cool. Come aboard.